Nani, welcome back to any video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining me. Thank you so much. Ungakhohlwa ku subscribe the channel, like video, share a video as well. So kunodaba endibonile mayelana no Selby Mkhize ngibonile makuthiwa ke uyashiya ke laphana okhosini siyazi besebenza no Butshata Ngobe. Yeah man, kubikwa ukuthi ke isikhonjweni intokazi ezovala isikhala sika Selby Mkhize ovalelisayo namhlanje kanti kulindeleke ukuthi athule ngokusemthethweni eKhayelisha lingakapheli ke leli sonto njengoba ke kubheka ukuthi aqale ngomsombuluko. So yeah man, that is a particular post laphana ka Isolezi bekhuluma ngo Selby. Ithi ngiye kuma comments, I know very well ukuthi baphawulile abantu uma kumenyezela ukuthi hamba uSelby sizoya ku post ka Selby mhlamba siqale khona singakaze size kulawa ama comments. I think I saw somewhere where she posted ipage lakhe the real Selby Mkhize ka Facebook. The time has come for me to say goodbye to the mighty Ukhozi FM. What an amazing 13 years it has been. Jehovah, I don't even know what to say or where to start. God, I thank you for the talent you have given me and I never take it for granted. Thank you, Lord, for the best job in the world, the opportunities you have granted me, the people I have met and worked with, the lives I have touched. Nkosi ngiyabonga. Ngifuna ukubonga ke wena mlaleli for the love that you have given me throughout the years. Ukungamkela kulo msakazo ngezandla ezimhlophe. Oh, what a great time we had together. Honestly, I don't know what to say. Lapho I always have something to say. If you know Selby, you know you always have something to say. Shall we do this kahle on my last show tomorrow and thank everyone who has played a pivotal role in my career. That was a post, I think it was by uSelby Mkhize was a poster futhi nala shows nabangani bakho Enkosi Khatide Tshata Ngobe Selby Beyonce enoNcodube into kanjalo. I'm going to throw this on my screen, okay? nguSelby lo bepostile bafethu basebebhalana kulesi sithombe ukuthi siyashiya emsakazweni uKhozi FM. uSelby kusasa uzobe evalelisa kule particular post. So uthi omunye ke laphana ngecomment ngaze ngakhala Selby njengoba usuvalelisa ukodwa ngoChatha usezohlika nobani kodwa all the best Ngunezi. That is somebody there are so many comments angeke ngiwafunde wonke ama comments you guys. That is ngaphansi kwe post ka Selby Beyonce njengoba kuthiwa ke uyashiya ekhosini. Ngibonile futhi nalaphiyana ka Let Us Go ka Sunday World, they also had a post about Selby leaving Ukhozi FM. Okay, so we're gonna go there quickly. Shame Selby sizomkhumbula bafethu Selby benoChatha ngeke bafethu. I wonder ukuthi uyapi, you know what I mean. Yacabanga ukuthi nalapha yakhona nakhona still sisazoya siyomlalela, you know what I mean. Selby Beyonce Mkhize leaves Ukhozi FM after 13 successful years ekuka Sunday World. A bittersweet announcement has been released by Ukhozi FM about the departure of Selby Beyonce Mkhize, a beloved member of the station's family since 2012. Mkhize will host her final show today before moving on to the new ventures. She started working with Ukhozi FM in 2012 as a contributor on the well-liked Umnyakazo Top 20 show, where she spent 2 years showcasing her radio skills and enthusiasm. She officially signed a deal in 2014 to host the Woza Nabangani Bakho afternoon drive show, which aired Monday through Friday. In recognition of her exceptional presence and commitment, Ukhozi FM hired her on a full-time basis in 2015. Through the years, Mkhize has been a dynamic and significant voice on the station, receiving multiple honors and distinctively flying the Ukhozi FM flag. Her diligence, enthusiasm, and contagious personality has made a lasting impression on the station and its audience. According to Ulwazi Mtabela, Ukhozi FM's business manager, Mkhize has been a vital part of the station's family. Her commitment, enthusiasm, and have significantly contributed to the success of the station. She has represented Ukhozi FM brand with pride and professionalism, winning awards and touching the hearts of many. We are immensely proud of her growth and hard work in building her personal brand, and we wholeheartedly support her as she embarks on this exciting new chapter. We wish her all the best in her future endeavors. kulaphana ke ka Sunday World bebhalile ngodade uSelby ukuthi bamfisela okuhle nalaya khona njengoba ke esephuma lapha yana okhosini uyavalelisa I think ishow yakhe yokugcina ibinamhlanje mhlambe because lama post you guys you go abona like mabenze screenshot you never know like it's 2 hours ago 15 hours ago so ngiyacabanga ukuthi maybe there is last show yakhe ibinamhlanje ngiyacabanga so yeah usethi how useyakuphi kodwa leyo ntokazi bakithi ngomunye lapha under the post lapha kayisolezo wathi omunye how uyapho bafu Selby impela angisalazi ukhozi FM so bakhona ababhorekile nje ngempela ukuthi uyahamba you know what I mean some of them sound bored ukuthi uSelby uthi uyahamba because they didn't want her to go kodwa ke usevalelisile ukuthi uyasuka lapha okhosini uya somewhere I'm sure they're still going to reveal ukuthi where she is going you know what I mean nokuthi ke ngubani onke nayo esikhundleni sakhe all of that sikulindele ukuzwa like besimthanda kakhulu uSelby bakhona bakhala ukuthi Nkosi yami uchatha usezosala nobani we wonder usezohleka nobani zonke lezo zinto bafethu uvalelisile uSelby when it comes to ke ukhozi FM kukhona phela amadlelo alihlazo yazi ukuthi umuntu mayisuka umuntu akasuki nje ingekho indawo better than where they are you know what I mean mina ngibiza ngithi kusemadleleni alihlaza I mean you know what I mean yeah man all the best to udade uSelby bafethu uvalelisile okhosini useyahamba ke yeah angazi uchuva la ka comment section we like i video subscribe share bese siyabonana kwesayo bye